Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to start with quick review of the FMT. So let's get started. Juvenile age, boy or girl less than 18 years. Conduct money is paid to expert witness with summons from civil court. Leading question are permitted during cross-examination. Time limit for cross-examination is there is no time limit. Sub apno is a kind of document compelling attendance of witness in court. Most common cause of sudden death is CAD. Suspended animation is not seen in throttling as seen in sunstroke, anesthesia, cholera, electrocution, drowning, insanity, newborn, shock hypothermia, cerebral concussion. Immediate stiffness postmortem occur in cadaveric spasm. Cadaveric spasm occur immediately after death. First sign of decomposition in death body is green discoloration skin over left iliac fossa. Casper dictum is for evaluation of time since death. Post-mortem staining get fixed after 6 to 7 years. Division body is useful in sexing the individual. Division body is absent in male. Dactylography is thumb printing sign, surest sign of identification. Least common type of fingerprint is composite. Tattoo is useful in identify a body which is dead. Periauricular sulcus is useful in determination of sex. Narrow, shallow in male and broad, deep in female. Best bone specimen for sex determination is pelvis. Time limit for exhumation of a death body in India is no limit. EDH commonly occur in temporoparietal region. RTA is grazing impact injury. Stellate wound is seen in contact wound. Teeth white mark is an example of pressure abrasion. Abrasion collar is seen in bullet injury. Arborescent burning is due to lightning. White leathery froth is seen in death due to drowning. Paltoff's hemorrhage are seen in bat drawing. Horizontal ligature marks in neck is seen in ligature strangulation. Maximum congestion is seen in strangulation. Cutis anserine is seen in antemortem drowning. Hyoid fracture is most important found in throttling. Female can give consent to sex if she is above 16 years. Posthumous child born after death of the father. Superfoetation meaning fertilization of second ovum is an already pregnant woman. Spreading sign indicate dead born child. Spreading sign occur because of maceration. Antidote for cyanide is hydroxycobalamin. Arsenic poisoning is often confused with acute gastroenteritis. Gastric lavage is contraindicated. Corrosive acid poisoning. Cobra snake venom is neurotoxic. Antidote for opiate poisoning is naloxone. Site for collection of blood in alcohol poisoning is femoral vein. Cholera-like action is seen in poisoning with Riccinus communis. Paresthesia of hand, feet, mease lines in nails and raindrop pigmentation in hand. Causative agent is arsenic. Magnesium sulfate lavage is done in poisoning with phenol. Berthonian line is seen in chronic poisoning of lead. In lead poisoning, diagnostic increase of level of chlorpyrifos. Sindoor used by ladies compromise for lead tetroxide. Hypocalcemia is seen in poisoning of oxalic acid. Leathery stomach is seen in poisoning of phenol. Garlic-like smell can be detected in aluminum phosphide poisoning. Death in copper sulfate poisoning occur due to renal failure. Metal fume fever can be seen in poisoning of zinc, copper, cobalt, cadmium, chromium, antimony, manganese, iron, silver, lead, nickel, magnesium, but not in arsenic poisoning. Poison resembling viper snake bite is aberrant. Quad is an individual who is important only for particular woman. Rokitansky method is autopsy technique for infants. Sodium fluoride is a good in vitro preservative of glucose in blood sample as it inhibits analase. Putrefaction is retarded by phenol. Maximum % of suicidal case of poisoning due to opium. Order of onset of rigor mortis is eyelid, thorax, lower limb. Atropine is derived from Atropa belladonna. Criminal responsibility under IPC is not present if age is below than 7 years. Minimum time required for adipocere formation if dead body is of 21 days. Adipocere is like to occur in warm humid climate. Commitment of rape is defined in IPC 375. Punishment of rape is defined in IPC 376. Ischiopubic index is significantly more in female. Glass blower 6 are seen in poisoning due to the mercury. Acrodynia is a seen in which poisoning mercury. Run amok is sometimes seen with cannabis. Apoplexy is the term used for cerebral congestion. Time limit for exhumation in India is no time limit. Exhumation is usually done in early morning. Feminine form of impotence is frigidity. Dipsomania is usually used in context of alcohol. Ratio between blood ethyl alcohol to urine ethyl alcohol concentration is 1:1.33. Copper sulfate poisoning manifests by acute hemolysis. Boxer attitude is seen in person dying of burn. Disease causing modification of finger point is leprosy. The knot in judicial hanging is placed at side of the neck. Dilated pupil with high blood pressure is seen in Dhatura poisoning. Macro and microscopically won't be any change to heart in case of MI death up to 8 hours. Marbling is noticed by 36 hours. Automatism is seen in poisoning with barbiturate. Rigor mortis is also known as death, stiffening, cadavering rigidity. Following will determine the species, origin of blood is precipitin test. Child after eating snacks develop dilated pupil, sweating, warm extremities, coma and Dhatura poisoning. Dum-dum bullet is so-called tip of the chiseled off. Cyanide mainly affect the enzyme cytochrome oxidase. And chilotic line is line on hip bone for sex determination. Casper dictum is identification of dead body. Pinpoint pupils are seen in morphine, barbiturate and OPC. Dried semen stain on cloth are identified by ultraviolet rays. Most common organ affected in blast injury, lungs. Damage caused by bullet depend on velocity. Counter cube injury of the brain is seen in just opposite to the side of impact. Next one, counter coup injury is most common seen in moving head collide with a stationary object. Onset of rigor mortis is delayed in polio and pneumonia. Color changes of putrefaction is first observed in oiliac fossa. Death in police custody is investigated by magistrate. Res ispa loquitur means evidence speaks for itself. Dying deposition is recorded by magistrate. Professional secrecy may be divulged by demand of the court. Cephalic index help in identification of race. To make a positive identification with help of partial fingerprint, similarity should be at least 16. Most common type of finger impression is loop. Per auricular sulcus is useful for identification of sex. Dactylography is a surest sign of identification. In which part of the body a laser impact cause maximum bruise is face. Incisional bone congenital is seen in homicides. In Indian, rigor mortis set within 1 to 2 hours. Cutis anserina is seen in drowning. Postmortem staining is seen only in dependent part. Pugilistic attitude is due to heat stiffing. Pugilistic attitude is due to protein coagulation. Pugilistic attitude is most common women dying with N10 postmortem burn. Number of hours since death is calculated by multiplying fall in rectal temperature with 0.67. Most specific and diagnostic features of antemortem hanging is ligature mark. Paltau's hemorrhage is seen in drowning. Dutt's collar is seen in firearm entry wound. Beveling of skull is seen in broad end of entry point in bullet injury. Kunkel's test done to demonstrate presence of in blood carbon monoxide. Spermin in semen is detected by Barberio test. Laterally displaced fragment of fracture high bone is seen in throttling. Strychnine mainly acts as anterior horn cell. Nail and hair are preserved in chronic arsenic poisoning. High level of alcohol in blood should be 0.15%. Most common Ewing sign is seen in alcoholism. Poison which can be detected in one is arsenic. Strychnine poisoning are cannabis, belladonna, and arsenic. Carbon monoxide poisoning is cherry red postpartum staining. Bidmark formula is used in poisoning of zinc. CSF is preserved in alcohol poisoning. In first sexual intercourse, rupture of hymen occurs at 5 o'clock position. So, sign indicating death was antemortem, weeds and grass in the hand. IPC 377 deal unnatural sexual events. Ewing's pustules refers to accident as a cause of birth. Tripod of life means circulation, respiration, and brain function. Fatal dose of strychnine is about 60 to 100 mg. Lacerated wound resembles incised wound if it is present in forehead skull. Which is the spinal poison is strychnine. Fracture allows signature in depressed fracture. Working is always homicidal. Cafe coronary syndrome is accidental. Gutter fracture is due to oblique blood wound. Sweating is not present in heat stroke. Fingerprint video was first established in India. In oath taking, the witness has to keep a hand on a holy book. This does not apply for a medical man. Leading questions are generally permitted in cross examination. Gastric was is contraindicating poisoning of the sulfuric acid. Tail of the bone, tell about direction of bond. Diwali poisoning is due to phosphorus. A method of sitting over chest and closing nostrils and mouth to cause asphyxial death is working. Nux vomica contain brucin in strychnine. Among 2-year change in tooth, most useful first for age determining root transparency. Transplant of human organ passed by Government of India in 1994. Copper sulfate poisoning manifests with acute hemolysis. Normal condition of temperature and atmosphere rate for cooling of death body is 1.5 Fahrenheit per hour. Postmortem rigidity first start in eyelid. Sex can be examined in hair root cells in presence of war body. Telephono is beating of the ear. In autopsy, preservative used for bitters is fluoride. Hydroquinone is drowning in cold water. Postmortem wound best differ from antemortem wound by absence of erythema and cellular changes. Toxicity of methyl alcohol is due to formic acid. Alcohol inebriant, cannabis delirium, acontine cardiac, nux vomica spinal. What is the phalangna? Beating on soul with blunt object. Most common characteristic of heat rupture is irregular margin. Chiliotic line is line on hip box for sex determination. Person adult age is 18 years. Defloration means loss of virginity. EDTA is used in arsenic poisoning. Magnans occur in addiction of the cocaine. Bone fracture is seen commonly in children. Depressed fracture of skull result from heavy object is striking a small surface. Tentative cut is a feature of suicidal attempt. Majority of fingerprint among Indian are loops. Pearson's formula is used for stretcher. Disease which permanently alter the fingerprint is leprosy. Most reliable method of identification of a person is Galton method. Best method for identification of a person is dactylography. Faint letter mark can be made visible by infrared photography. Best method to determine age up to 14 years is dentition. Second molar eruption at 12 years. Eruption of temporary teeth will be completed by 2 to 2.5 years of age. First permanent tooth is appear is first molar. 10-year girl will have permanent and temporary teeth. Best bone to assess age between 20 to 50 years is skull. Periauricular sulcus help in detection of sex. Whiplash injury is caused due to acute hyperextension of spine. Best specimen of bone of sex determination is pelvis. Cephalic index of Indian population is between 70 to 75. Study of death in all aspects is knowledge called tendinonology. Provisional callus forms in fracture of bone by 7 days. So guys, this is the first part of the FMT.